A fireplace adds warmth to make your home comfortable in the winter season. Yet open wood-burning fireplaces are not a safe option. Instead, use a fireplace grate as a safety encasing and help to light fires effectively. Many products are available from Fireplace Grates, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best fireplace grates from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. So, without further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best fireplace grates. Number 1. Amagabeli Black Wrought Iron Fireplace Log Grate. With a simple design and durable wrought iron construction, this V-shaped Amagabeli fireplace grate has 7 solid steel bars. Weighing a little more than 15 pounds, this grate's overall dimensions are 21 inches long by 12.5 inches wide by 7.5 inches high, making it fit most hearths. It also comes in 24-inch and 30-inch length options. The angled bars prevent the logs from rolling off, directing them instead toward the center of the grate. The grate's 4-inch legs provide plenty of air circulation to promote a good burn. An enamel coating on this Amagabeli fireplace grate protects the bars from corrosion, making it suitable for outdoor use, too. Number 2. Rocky Mountain Goods Fireplace Grate. This economical option has a mesh design to help keep embers near the logs for more efficient burning. The weld quality of this grate makes it a sturdy model. The heat-treated metal and the powder-coated finish aid in durability. It sells for a reasonable price. Rocky Mountain Goods Fireplace Grate with Ember Retainer is the highest quality cast iron fireplace grate on the market. This grate stands out with the quality of the weld and the cast iron used. While lesser quality grates melt or break, this fireplace grate has been heating treated to withstand the hottest of fires. The retainer design also makes for a cleaner and more efficient fire as all wood is burned. The powder-coated finish keeps this fireplace grate looking brand new. Welded with the highest-end welding equipment, we guarantee them a lifetime warranty. Number 3. Amagabeli Garden and Home 24 inches Fire Grate. This round fireplace grate from Amagabeli offers a different take on the typical rectangular fireplace grate. The grate is shaped like a wheel, and its 12 metal 0.7-inch thick bars look like spokes extending from the center of the grate. The bars are angled upward to contain burning logs, preventing them from rolling off. This design makes it easy to start a fire that produces an ample amount of heat. For large legs, elevate the grate 3.3 inches off the ground, allowing for plenty of airflows under the burning logs. Because its steel bars are protected by weather-resistant enamel paint, it works great for outdoor fire pits. Number 4. Pleasant Hearth 3/4 Premium Solid Steel Fireplace Grates. Pleasant Hearth's 3/4 inches premium solid steel fireplace grates are miniature and for small fireplaces. These 18 inches large grates are perfect not only for smaller grate sizes but also for cascading for larger grate sizes as well. These grates are also available in 21 inches, 24 inches, 27 inches, 30 inches, 33 inches, and 36 inches sizes as well. The 30-inch lifetime steel grate is crafted from thick 3/4 inch solid steel rods. This grate will lift the firewood off the chimney floor, allowing air to better circulate while providing a more robust fire. This heavy-duty grate is guaranteed to last you for years and is backed by a lifetime warranty. Number 5. SteelFreak Super Heavy Duty Steel Fireplace Grate. Most people end up placing bricks under their grate in the middle section to provide makeshift support to their grate. But SteelFreak has provided center legs so that sag doesn't happen. Kudos to them. Next, the number 1 complaint about other fireplace grates is that they arrive and look smaller than you thought. For some reason, companies keep creating grates where the legs point at a 45-degree angle. This design means you have less room to place your firewood on top of the grate. It leads to a ton of wasted space and smaller fires. For those 2 design features alone, we think the SteelFreak stands head and shoulders above the rest. Make sure you purchase the right size for your fireplace. You can select a size in 3-inch increments between 15 and 36 inches. From 30 inches and up, the grate comes with 8 legs for additional support in the middle, and below that, it has 6 legs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.